Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to borrow money from Brigit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To borrow money from Brigit, you'll need to use their instant cash feature, which provides cash advances up to $250. Then before you can access an advance, ensure you meet the following criteria, that is, your account should be at least 60 days old with regular activity, maintaining a balance greater than $0, having at least 3 recurring deposits from the same employer or income source, and achieving a minimum Brigit score of 40, which is based on your bank account health, spending behavior, and earning profile. Now, in order to borrow money, simply head over and open up your Brigit app, and then be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login on the bottom. Then once you are here, log in with your credentials, or simply create an account if you don't have it. Then to access instant cash feature, it will require a Brigit Plus subscription, which costs between $8.99 and $14.99 per month. Then if eligible, you can request a cash advance ranging from $50 to $250. Funds are typically deposited in your account within 1 to 3 business days. For faster access, you can opt for express delivery, which delivers funds in about 20 minutes for additional fee. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.